In this video, I'm going to talk about homework. So homework will have a Word document. You click that, and if you get an error message like request access, you need to make sure that you click switch account. Okay, don't request access with me. So it'll give you a list of problems to do, and there are 3 of them here, 2 of them from textbook, one I made myself, and I've given some partial answer keys here that you can use to guide your work. And then I have some notes here. Okay, so what to do. Okay, so remember, photos will not be graded. You have to scan and it must be legible. If I cannot read your work, then I'm going to give you a 0. Now, if you choose to do the work in Excel, if you want to do it, the problems in Excel, that's good. I mean, I encourage that actually. But when you do that, then you have to read the do's and don'ts and the best practices. If you don't follow these, you get a 0 for the assignment. So you need to make sure that you understand what I have listed here. If you have any questions about any of that, let me know. Okay, if this is for if you choose to do it in Excel, but sometimes some assignments, for example, in chapter 3. So here there is a problem number Problem number 3 is required to be done in Excel. Okay, so this problem everybody has to do in Excel. Okay, it's not optional here. So if that case, I have a shell file provided here. So you need to download the shell file, and here I have a link that shows how to download the shell file, open it, and personalize it. So it will ask you for your UTC marks ID. You need to give the marks ID, okay, and personalize your file. If you don't do that, then you get 0. So make sure that you personalize the file, and homework is individual work, no collusion, so no group work. So it is your individual work that you should do. If you collude with somebody else, and if you work together, and if I find out, I'll report it to the honor code, and you'll have to face the consequences. All right, so in that case also, you need to review these 2 documents, the do's and don'ts in Excel and the best practices. You have to follow these. If you don't follow these, you might even end up with a 0 for the homework. So when it comes to homework problems, so there will be some homework where there will be required Excel problem. So if there is a required Excel problem, you have to download the shell file, do the problem in Excel. You have to follow the do's and don'ts and best practices. Okay. Now, if the problem can be done in paper, then you have an option. You can do it in paper, or you can do it in Excel. Okay. If you choose to do it in Excel, then you have to again follow the guidelines, the do's and don'ts, and the best practices.